Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. I'm currently in Sligo, in Mullaghmore. So this is a town in the coast of Ireland. So we drove here with a friend this morning and he dropped me off, and I'm just gonna do this quick trail which is about 5 kilometers. It's basically just going around Mullaghmore. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, but yeah, I'm just gonna go all the way around. It's a loop that's 5 kilometers, and I hope I'll see some nice things along this. I wouldn't necessarily call it a hike, it's more of a walk than it is a hike, but yeah, let's go. And then I'm gonna go back where I started, wait for my friend to fetch me, which should be in about 3 hours. So I basically have 3 hours to do this loop and probably like chill, get some tea or something. It's actually quite chilly this morning. Yeah, as you guys can see, it's overcast. I hope it doesn't rain because that would really suck. Still on the trail. Probably been walking for about 10 to 15 minutes now. And yeah, it's pretty windy. That I can say for sure. There's a lot of campers on the side of the road. We see a lot of caravans, which is pretty cool. A lot of the people are from England. Seems like they're having a lot of fun. This weather would have been perfect if it wasn't for the wind. But yeah, it is what it is. I just have to keep on pushing. Hopefully the weather will open up. Well, it's actually kind of opening up right now. But yeah, let's see how that goes later. So I can see a castle in a distance. After all, it seems like this trail is gonna start paying off. It looks really beautiful from a distance. Let's go check it out. It doesn't look like there's a path that goes to the castle. I'm kind of bummed, but hopefully I'll find something this side. Oh man, I honestly hope there is a path, a foot path that goes to the castle. That would be really nice. I just got a shot of the castle. That was a bit nerve-wracking because that is private property. So you're basically not allowed to fly drones over private property, but it was so far. I think I flew the drone for about 1 kilometer just to get close enough to the castle, because I saw the cars parked outside, so I just didn't want to alarm anyone. But yeah, I hope it was worth it. I haven't seen the footage yet. I obviously saw what I saw on the low res preview. But yeah, I hope it will be worth it. What's up, guys? So I've made some friends.
Hello.
Luigi and
Anthony. From Italy.
Both from Italy. They just gave me a beer.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, what's your name on YouTube? YouTube channel.
NapoHD.
He's gonna come.
Say hi to. I'm vlogging, but you're gonna win the vlogs.
You must do another one tomorrow.
I'll put a filter.